I am way too young to be thinking about estate planning. Hi, I'm Mark Stiles of Stiles Law here in Studio B. And there's a question that we get very often, and that is, how old do I need to be before I start thinking about estate planning? Now, if I told you that the answer is 18 years old, would you be surprised? Most people would. But did you know that if your son or daughter is off at college, or out of state, or out of town for that matter, and they find themselves in a medical situation in a hospital, you as the parent may not be able to find out any information about them without a healthcare proxy or a power of attorney. So an introduction to estate planning is at age 18. Now, most people think estate planning, end of life, mortality, long-term care. Yes, that's very important, but we're all unique. Yes, many people might be thinking, how is the long-term care cost going to affect my overall estate? With my grandchildren, do I need to be thinking about a generation skipping tax? Can I start to distribute my wealth now while I'm alive and get to benefit by watching the goodness of it? Or maybe there's a younger family with adult children. But those adult children, remember, might only be 18 years old. Are they mature enough to accept all of our wealth in an inheritance at 18, 20 years old? The most common client that we have are the young couples, new babies, new families, because they're thinking about the guardianship. And that's very important because you want to choose who would raise your child. You don't want anyone fighting over that in court. Folks, the bottom line is you're never too young to be thinking about estate planning because the reality of it is the failure to plan is a plan to fail. And we've talked about that in our earlier videos about how often should we be reviewing our estate plan. And I encourage you to take a look at that as well. Folks, at Stiles Law, we understand that each individual is unique and that the plan has to fit their specific needs. If you'd like to set up a consultation, we encourage you to call us at 781-319-1900 and talk about how to create an effective estate plan for you and your loved ones. Folks, I hope you appreciate the content. If you did, I would ask that you share it with everyone and anyone. And please subscribe to our YouTube channel right here at Stiles Law. Thank you and be well.